Hello, this is YouTube 31 Pockets, and I'd like to welcome everybody back to part number 3 of my restoration project of a 1032 John Deere snowblower. So let's not waste any time and get started. Okay, now we're going to open the barn door so we can see the driveway. Okay, looking straight out the front of the barn, we can see the driveway going out to the street on a secondary road. This driveway is made out of asphalt, so it's not really that big of a problem. It's 2 cars wide, but it's approximately about 130 feet long. Now the driveway is double and meets in front of the barn. We have another driveway that exits out onto the main road. Now this driveway is made out of crushed rock, so we have to take in consideration that when we're setting up the snowblower. And typically on the side of the barn, now I usually will clear a parking area to park vehicles and whatnot along here, so we can see what we're planning to make the snowblower for. We're going to start out our day by attempting to repair our scraper bar after finding out the price on the new one. So that's what we're going to do starting today. It'll be the first thing. Today's date is December 17th, 2009, so let's get started. Okay, now we got our scraper bar completed, and we're setting it on the new piece of metal that we welded into the bottom of the deck. So we're going to mark our holes, and then we're going to drill and get that ready to go. After that's done, we're going to touch it up and paint it up a little bit. Okay, now we have our new piece of metal along with the scraper bar. Our holes are drilled, and now we're getting ready to work on our guides that guide the snowblower along through the snow. And this is our next step that we're going to undergo. And we're going to take and weld on little skis on here to add some metal to where we can see it's worn at the lower part, or if I zoom in close you can see it's thicker, where it doesn't get worn and rubbed as it's traveling across the ground. We need to make these small ski additives to get over the top of the crushed rock without sucking the rocks into the impeller when the snow is falling and it starts to build up on the ground. So